The three pens are old and they are not going to write because the ink is dry. So I'm going to put them in the microwave to see. That is number 2. Number 3. So all of them are dry. We are not going to put them for a long time, just for a very short time in the microwave. Very short means about 10 seconds. Let us see. If you put them longer, they will melt. That's enough. Let us see if that will do any good. You can smell the plastic. Okay, this one start working. This one smells bad because it has metal in it. Yeah. So we got 2 of them working. None of these pens is working. All of them, well, that is working. So we leave that alone. That is dry. That is working. We leave it alone. Most of them are not. Dry. 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 We are going to try to put them in the microwave. One of the problems with the microwave, it does not like metal. And the tip of these pens is metal. So the tip will get very hot very quick. And you should not touch it with your finger. We are not going to put it for a long time. Wow, this one is working. I cannot, you have to go through hundreds of them. This is dry. This is working. This is working. When you need one to work, you cannot find it. But now, when I don't need them, I can find them. So this one is not working. It's not working. So we got all the ones that are not working. All these are dry. And remember, because I made that mistake before. You put them in the microwave. You put them in the microwave for a very short time, 10 seconds. The tip will be extremely hot. If you touch it with your finger, you are going to penetrate your fingers. You're going to have a serious injury. So we put it, and some of them can melt in 10 seconds. Let us try. This is 12 seconds now. Let us try to see what is. We will go for the 12. We are microwaving pens that are dry. Those ones are working. Those ones are working. And now it stopped. Let us see now how much. You should never try to touch those with your finger, because the tip is going to be extremely hot. But let us see, did we succeed? Yes. Well, not very good, but let us see the next one. Yeah. Ready? So we got this one to write. Absolutely beautiful. Yes, so we can say I would make it 100% successful method. Of course, you are going to destroy some of them if you put them longer. This one disappointed me. Let us see this one. Yeah. We are getting a lot of them working. Remember, you can put those in the trash if you don't use them. You buy a pen. Yeah. Hey, look at that. We will calculate the chances later on, in a minute, after I finish. See how many of them failed, how many of them did not fail. Okay, here's the failure. How many failed? That is 2, 4, 6, 7 failed. 7 you cannot get them to write. And how many did we get them to write? I have 3 from the beginning. Let us say that is 3, that is 5, that is 7, that is 9, that's 11. Say 8. 8 of these start are working. So the method is successful about, say, 50%. Let us just make sure this will work again. Now this one failed. Might have, this one is good. This one is great. This one is great. This one is good. This one is okay. This one is not good because they might dull again if they cool. This is great. This is not good. This is great. This is very great. So this has failed. Let us try again to see if we can succeed, if we can improve the method. As I told you, you can destroy them and you can burn your fingers. So we are going to make it very short and try again. Only for 10 seconds. This is 1 minute. We're going to stop in at 50. Make it 48. Stop here. Just have them again back. As I told you, you do not touch them with your finger. You don't touch the metal part. Let us see if this succeeded. We got this one to work. This is success. Yes, we succeeded for this one too. It might not have ink in it. It might just, this is dull. This is not useful. This is not useful. You're not useful. So this is good. This is not good. This is not good. It's not good. It's good. So we failed now in these 7 pens, we cannot make them right. We cannot melt them inside. We will try another time. But we got some working. This one worked perfectly, better than throwing them away. Okay, here is my success rate. I was able to get all these pens, dry pens, to right after putting them in the microwave for about 10 seconds. I was not able to get most of these guys to write for many reasons, but I have some success. I would say 30%, 50% success. Let us take one of these. It's supposed to go to the trash. This is not a good one. That is okay. It's good. That's good. At least I found something at work. That's not very good. Might take a while. That's good. That's good. That is good. That's great. That needs work, so that's not working. If you go to the other ones, these are one terrible. These ones don't work at all. They might need another try. Okay, we got some work. And look at these pens. These pens are almost 20 years old. Nobody makes these anymore. Because nobody writes with pens anymore. That you have to put that in a microwave also. Those are the pens that failed on the first experiment. We will try again another experiment. It is working, but it's not very good. This is dry. This is dry. Okay, this is innocent. That's working. Wow, it seems like when I left them overnight, when I left them overnight, they start working. Some of them, not all of them. Some of them did. And also it might not have enough ink. So we assume it does. And this one was destroyed because I left it longer in the microwave, so it melts. That is 6 of them. What we are going to do today is a little bit different. This is water, and we are not going to leave them a long time. The reason for putting the water is because the tips are metal. When you put metal in the microwave, they become extremely hot. When they become hot, they penetrate, they destroy the plastic container that have the ink. So this is just a guessing. I don't have a science or say, I'm not doing a scientific experiment. I'm just doing a guess. And we put them in the microwave, and we put them just 10 seconds, make it 12 seconds. That is 12 exact. Okay, we started at 12. say 13. And these guys might work. Failed. Failed. Wow. So we have success here. That's great success. So now I came with 2. Now I'm going go out with 3. This is working. This is working, and this is working. This is working great. So what makes the problem, the outcome different? This start working. This is not working. It might not have ink. Okay, so having some success. Let us try again putting this longer time in water. I will make it 16 seconds. That's enough. Let us see if that will do any good. No success. Yes. You can say five are very hard to make them work. They might not have ink. We figure that later on, but at least we got something working. I got 3 working. This one. Because nobody is using pencils or pen today because of the internet. Everything now is electronic, digital. It's even become something historic to find a pen that can work. You make history if you can make a pen or a pencil work. You find the pencil, here is a pencil. You're not going to find a sharpener. You have to look everywhere to get a sharpener.